What's up everybody, it's Beth Joe. Welcome back to another video. This week we're doing another speedrun video. Make sure to stay tuned. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to keep up to date when we upload on this channel. And make sure to hit the like button to support the channel. And you're more welcome to comment and share this video on social media to help more with the channel. Thank you for watching and let's get to it. This week we are doing Tanjiro from Demon Slayer, so I hope you more than welcome to join in. So go and grab yourself a pencil, paper, and let's get on with it. If you do not know what Demon Slayer is, it is basically an anime series based on slaying demons. It's basically the main character wants to make his sister human again, and Michael Jackson is included in the anime. So yeah, if anyone that's bit of what's it called? I forgot the word. What's it called? Bit of a summary what it's about, and hope you enjoy this drawing as well. This is like first time making a video of it. Me drawing Tanjiro, which is pretty interesting, and yeah, I enjoyed it when I watched it, but I didn't think that there was other anime out there which was a lot better in that year, and you deserve the award for it, for the best anime of the year. Basically, this won best anime of the year in 2019. So yeah. Anyway, for this week's drawing, Tanjiro, I really enjoyed it a lot because I enjoyed the progress of it. I mean, every step I took, it made it a lot more better, and I thought I did really well with today's drawing. Do you think I did well in today's drawing? Do you like it? I hope you do, because I do put the effort in my drawings a lot. And yeah, even though the hair's a little bit far up, but it's still a really good drawing altogether. Yeah. If anyone who hasn't seen Demon Slayer, I would suggest you to watch it. It is a really good series to watch. I mean, I think it is really enjoyable, and you might end up seeing Michael Jackson in it, because Michael Jackson is in Demon Slayer. If anyone has seen it and you know who I'm on about, then comment down below who you know I'm on about, because that's just weird. Anyway, yeah. Any advice or tips today? I would say my advice is, doesn't matter how expensive the artwork is or how cheap it is. If you know how to use it, you can make your drawing a lot more effective. So basically, what I'm saying is, if you use cheaper materials, you can make it as effective as expensive. It's the way how you use it and how you got used to those materials to get used to it to make your artwork effective. I think that's down to people as well. Or some people use watercolor, acrylic, digital. That's about it. That's probably my advice is. So if you got any advice for people who want to do drawing and that, then comment down below. You're more than welcome to, because at the end of the day, it's not just I'm just helping you lot. You never know who you might support in the artwork. I think I'm gonna let you leave you this. I'm gonna let you guys go and let you enjoy the rest of the video. And I hope you did enjoy your stay, and I will see you guys in the next video. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click on the bell so you know when we're updating on the channel. Make sure to click the like button to support the channel. Also, if you want to support the channel more, is by hitting the comment button, comment down below, or share the video. And make sure to check my social media with the links down in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Live it up, live it up, live it up, live it up.